Hello everyone, this is Tony from Huasuny Technology. Our company mainly focus on flexible LED screen. Now please allow me to make a brief introduction to our latest technology. This is our legendary series. As you can see, it can be flat screen like the normal cabinets, but it also to make a flexible LED screen. When you remove this carbon material pipe, and you can curve as you want. The maximum degree is 19 degree, like this corner of the reception desk. As you can see the corner, the maximum degree is 19. And it can be also curved like the top ring of our booth. And also like the LED screen up front, it can be front curve and back curve, and also move like that. Our peak speed is range from 2.3, 3.7, and 4.6 indoor and outdoor. And that's all. If you have any further question and more information, please visit our website www.huasuny.com.